Stock futures have taken a bit of a tumble today, just before the release of the U.S. jobs report for February, and after the S&P 500 set a staggering 16th all-time high for the year. A mixed bag of performances indeed. Broadcom, a giant in the semiconductor industry, saw a rise in its fiscal first-quarter revenue and adjusted earnings. However, the stock dipped by 1% in pre-market trading. Despite promising growth driven by strong demand for networking products in AI data centers, the unchanged fiscal year sales guidance of roughly $50 billion led to a lukewarm reception. Rivian Automotive, on the other hand, managed to rev up its shares by 1.4% after unveiling two new competitively priced SUVs. The electric vehicle maker's announcements of the mid-size R2 and the smaller, lower-priced R3 certainly charged investors' interests. Eli Lilly took a minor hit of 0.4%, following news of a delay in the Food and Drug Administration's decision on the approval of the company's Alzheimer's drug, donanemab. Costco Wholesale, despite a 5.7% rise in fiscal second-quarter revenue, fell short of forecasts, leading to a 4.1% fall in shares. The big box retailer also reported an over 18% rise in e-commerce comparable sales during the period. Marvell Technology tumbled 5.3% after its fiscal first-quarter outlook fell short of Wall Street's expectations. The semiconductor company's estimated adjusted earnings also fell below the consensus. MongoDB shares also dropped by 8.6% in pre-market trading after the cloud-based database software issued lower-than-expected guidance for its fiscal first quarter and year. On a brighter note, DocuSign saw a 9.2% rise after beating analysts' estimates in fourth-quarter earnings and revenue. The electronic signature company also projected higher-than-expected first-quarter sales. Samsara shares also made significant strides, rising by 15% after the asset tracking systems provider posted better-than-anticipated fourth-quarter adjusted earnings and topped Wall Street estimates for fiscal 2025 earnings and revenue guidance. Gap also managed to beat analysts' consensus, with fourth-quarter earnings of 49 cents a share, and saw a rise in gross margins from a year earlier. In summary, the stock market today presented a fascinating choreography of highs and lows, with Broadcom, Rivian, Lilly, Costco, DocuSign, Marvell, BigBear.ai, and more leading the dance. It's a testament to the ever-changing, dynamic nature of the stock market, where every day brings a new rhythm and tune.